Hey everyone, I would like to welcome y'all to the No Fix Studio. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you. In today's video, we will be doing the length. They go from short, medium, long, extra long, and custom length. I had did these three beforehand, which is short, medium, and long. This one is custom, and this one will be extra long. So it goes short, medium, long, extra long, and custom. I will be using this custom purple mix I made with some natural and some dark purple and this natural nail bed color. The forms I am using are Koopa, and the Koopa ones come with the extra tip on the top, and for my extra long I just cut it down, like rip it off, and the first half of it is the length of an extra long. You see here is where I used to full both pieces of the Koopa nail form to create my custom length, and the full length of this will be a custom. As you see here, the tip had broken off, so instead of trying to glue it back together, I just threw another form on there, rebuilt out the nail bed a little bit thicker, and replaced the purple tip on, not the broken one, but redid the purple acrylic. So if this ever happened, just scrap it, get another form out and just redo it. If you're doing this or doing it on a real person, don't ever try to glue the tip back on with more acrylic or anything like that. One, it's a waste of time, and two, the structure and strength is no longer there. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it so you can jump into action.